Hey, this is Sam with a speed run going from IFC to Power BI using the Cloud tool. So let's get started. We're going to create a new project, set it to manual. And then here, if you haven't done it already, you need to install the VIM installer. It's also going to install the IFC-to-VIM converter. So I'm just going to click continue on here. And the file that I have ready is basically the one we see here in Solibri. So what I'm going to do is simply open VIM IFC and then navigate to my location and select this file here, which is the rendering transfer. So it basically tells me to put it in the same folder by default. I'm going to accept that and say start. All right, so our export is completed. At this point, we can go into the Cloud tool, take this down, and then simply drag and drop our new VIM file on here. Now, at this point, we have the ability to rename this, and we need to make sure to specify that it's an IFC file so that it can associate with the proper IFC templates instead of irrelevant Revit templates. All right, so I only have one IFC template right now, which is the default one, so I'm going to create the project. And at this point, it's processing the VIM file and creating that database. Okay, so our project is finished processing. At this point, we can open it in another tab. We can download it to further customize it, and we can start working with this in Power BI. So we've got a report online. One last thing we can do to speed up the report is go in VIM and turn on VIM Ultra. So that means that when we switch between pages, it's going to grab a local file instead of downloading it every time, making the report a lot more responsive when we're changing between pages to do the analysis. Anybody else that's going to be viewing the report can also download VIM Ultra and start it, and that's going to allow them to see extremely large projects and have a much better quality of life when they're navigating through it. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day. Cheers.